Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you're well. Today we are just going to look at getting Minecraft Education Edition onto the device that you are using at home. To do this, you just need to go and create a search for Minecraft Education Edition download. This is for desktop versions. I'm going to show you iPad in a second. The reason we do a download is because this link here that takes you into this page here isn't immediately obvious when you come to this page. The link isn't readily available. So I'm going to start off with Windows Edition. There are two types of Windows Edition. You can go and grab the Windows Store Edition if you have Windows S. Both of them work pretty much the same. So once you've clicked on this link here, it will take you into a Windows Store edition, which is basically on your Windows device. It's like the App Store basically, and then you can just go and install that. I'm going to see if I can get this window to show on my screen. Here we go. So this is what it looks like once you've clicked on the Windows Store Edition, and then you can go and install that straight from the Windows Store Edition. So then what we're going to do now is just have a look at Mac, because Mac is a little bit problematic sometimes because of the settings based on the Mac App Store. It works like a halfway house between iOS and desktop. So once you click on this and you get the DMG file to install. So once you install that and double click it on your desktop, wherever it is that you put it, you may get an error that looks like this. And that's fine. You just go and click on the Show Finder and open it up. And sometimes once you try and open it up, it may take you into your security settings. So if you don't see your security and privacy settings on your Mac, at the top, you will see your Mac icon, the Apple logo, and click on that, and then you go into your settings. I can't remember what the actual name is off the top of my head, but once you go into there, it'll say your settings or something like that, and then just around about here is security and privacy. You may get a pop-up in a box here that says, do you would like to install, would you like to go ahead and install Minecraft Education Edition? If it isn't there, you need to go and check this radio button here, App Store and Identify Developers, which is what Microsoft is. You'll have to unlock this. If you don't have the password, you'll have to go and ask your parents for the password, or if your parents are there, they can help you out. Go and put the password in, click it, open it up, and let it run, and then install it. For iPad, the iPad is slightly different because you need to go into the App Store. I just need to go and get my window open. You need to go and get your App Store open and search for Minecraft Education Edition. So to do that, you'll have to go into your App Store. So open up your iPad. I'm going to go and open up my iPad right now. And then once you're in there, you've got to search with your search function down here for Minecraft Education Edition. I've already got it installed, so it says open. It'll say get. It'll either say get, you've either downloaded it before and you've got a little down button, down arrow, and then you can open it up. And when you open it up, you will have the same window as you do on both Mac and Windows. It's all pretty much the same thing. And it'll say, do you want to sign in with your school account? And so we can do that. I'll turn it off a second so you can see what's going on here. Yeah, that's fine. And then in here, you've got to go and put in your email address that we give you on your Firefly page. So on your Firefly pages, you'll have the way that we run you'll see the way that we run the login process. So that'll be in here. So I'm now back in Windows, just to show you that it is exactly the same. So this is my Windows version. Make sure I've got my game open. I'll bring that to the top, just so that you can see this in here. And then move that over. So hopefully you can see that now. I think my camera's gone, but never mind. Just to show you that this is the same. My camera's frozen, never mind. MCB for me, and then MCA for Mr. Max, and then the rest of the email address and the password is on your Firefly page. So go and install those, and we will show you what you need to do next. As always, E5, good luck.